And today what I wanted to talk about was this past weekend. So this past weekend for Storage Nerds, which is my coaching program, it's called Storage Nerds. And for anybody here that's new, I see a couple of students that are on here. For Storage Nerds, we did an infield training day this weekend. It was so fun. It was so much fun. I love getting out and driving around and like looking for storage facilities and like talking to owners and this kind of thing. So I'm going to kind of tell you what happened and how we did what we did, and we had some really great results. And then we're going to be putting some offers in. So I wanted to just go over that with you as well too. So I'm going to spotlight myself. Let me see. Yeah. And okay, good. So everybody's kind of hopping on. So I appreciate you guys hanging out. Again, I'm Stacy Rossetti, and I teach people how to invest in self-storage. And basically, I'm the person here that gets your foot in the door, right? I'm the one that's going to help you get your foot in the door. And then if you want to be like me and live in an RV and travel around and own storage facilities, awesome, great. And if you want to be like the big wigs and get out there and own $100 million in storage facilities, more power to you, right? And I have like lots of students that I've trained on both sides of the spectrum, literally, like, you know, both sides. And I have a student right now that's putting an offer in for a facility that's like $50,000. And I have a student that just literally closed on a facility that was $3 million. So I can help you with all different types of aspects of investing. Personally, we own 11 storage facilities. We focus on the secondary and tertiary markets, and we focus on smaller facilities, probably between like 100 to 250 units, right? Which again is kind of that sweet spot that like it's hard to fund a lot of these types of deals on the back end. And those are kind of the ones that I focus on, okay? And I focus on mismanaged facilities, the ones that need a lot of work. And my husband handles that. And then my husband, so we do like find them, fund them, run them, right? So we're going to talk today about find them, right? Finding them. And I actually have an acquisitions person. His name is Chris, and he's the one that finds them. And we are in the process right now of building up our acquisitions team. And I just hired 2 VAs over the last couple of weeks to help us build this up. And our goal is to offer a turnkey solution to our students. That's really the purpose of building the acquisitions team out. I'm really, really excited about this too. So all students that come in, you know, we'll get with them and we'll find out what they want, what they're looking for, and then we'll be able to help them find storage facilities. And you know, that way I can help my students become more successful, right? I want to have like an awesome success rate in my coaching program. And so the way that I can do that is by helping them to find storage. So Find Them is Chris and his team that we're building out. Chris has been working with me for about 1.5 years. We bought 6 facilities last year. So he's doing an awesome job. And now we're going to build this acquisitions team out, which is going to be awesome. And then I do the funding part. So you just heard me like pitching Self-Storage Fund of America. That is my job. My job is to find the money to do all the things that we want to do. And then my husband runs them, right? And we are actually very vertically integrated within our company. And we have a management team that we're building out right now because we're growing so fast. And in fact, we are actually in the process of creating a management company where they will be managing all of our facilities plus the funds facilities. And because we're growing and we're growing so fast, we're trying to figure that all out, and like how we're going to set all that up as well too. So as you grow, and I've only been doing this for 5 years, and I'm telling you, if I could do it, anybody could do it, right? It's just that it takes time and effort, and you know, and then as we grow, we're building out. And the thing that I do really, really well, honestly, is I hire people to help me do these things, like to tell me what to do. So for instance, I just hired a CFO, right? Because like I need somebody to tell me, like, are these deals good for the fund? Are these deals good for Miss Lillian self-storage, right? What's the best strategies for us? Like, so I'm not the type of person to sit there and just figure it all out myself. I'm just not, honestly, I'm just not. I need like an expert to tell me. And I've gotten to that. I've learned that over the course of the years. For the last 10 years, I've always had people tell me what to do. And so I just listen to them and do it. That's why I'm here. Okay.